By 2030, it is projected that 70% of vehicles around the world will be electric. However, there is a question about whether electric vehicles are truly environmental friendly. It is true that approximately 13,608 kg of carbon dioxide is released during the production of an electric vehicle. This signifies that there is a certain amount of pollution associated with manufacturing of electric vehicles. The environmental impact of electric vehicles also depends on the source of electricity used to charge them. If electricity is generated primarily from the fossil fuels, then using electric vehicles will contribute to pollution indirectly. In such cases, the daily use of electric vehicles can still result in pollution, as the electricity used to charge them is derived from fossil fuels. But if electric vehicles do not reduce environmental pollution, what is the solution? To address this problem, Toyota is working on a new hydrogen engine, which will undergo testing next year. This engine will utilize hydrogen as a fuel and release water into the environment, which even you can drink. If we compare the hydrogen engine with the Tesla Model Y engine, the hydrogen engine is approximately 2 times more efficient. For instance, a Tesla Model Y can travel up to 500 km on a full day charge. And if we look at Toyota's new hydrogen engine, with just 5 minutes of hydrogen fuel refilling, with this we can travel up to 600 km. In the early 1800s, Swiss engineer Franz Coses thought of creating an engine that could run on a renewable source of energy. Inspired by this idea, Franz Coses developed the first hydrogen engine, which runs using hydrogen and oxygen. However, the engine could only travel up to 6 meters before needing refueling, making it impractical for everyday use. Later in 1860, Belgian engineer Etienne Lunier, using Franz Coses' concept, created a vehicle called Hippomobile. The Hippomobile used water to generate electricity, converting water to hydrogen and oxygen, but relied on fossil fuels to produce required electricity. As we are indirectly using fossil fuel to generate electricity, diesel and petrol engine started gaining popularity, and research on hydrogen engine stopped. However, hydrogen fuel cells gained attention when they were used to produce electricity in NASA's Apollo mission for space travel. This renewed interest in hydrogen, and in 1966, General Electric developed a hydrogen-powered car called the Electrovan, utilizing technology derived from Apollo rockets. The Electrovan stored hydrogen and oxygen in cylinders, which occupy more space within the vehicle, reducing its sitting capacity of Electrovan. Unfortunately, during testing, the hydrogen cylinder of the Electrovan exploded and it was never released in the market. Later in 2014, Toyota launched the Mirai, a vehicle that utilizes hydrogen fuel cell technology. The Mirai marked a significant step in making hydrogen-powered cars commercially available. Let us understand how hydrogen fuel cell technology works. In a hydrogen fuel cell car, the vehicle is powered by hydrogen and oxygen. Hydrogen is stored in a tank while oxygen is obtained from the surrounding environment. To begin, hydrogen and oxygen are supplied to the fuel cell using a pump. The fuel cells consist of electrodes, a positive electrode and a negative electrode. A catalyst into the fuel cells facilitates the formation of hydrogen ions from hydrogen molecules. Each H+ ion releases an electron. The hydrogen ions then move towards the negative electrode, while the electrons move towards the positive electrode. This movement of H+ ion produces electricity, which is utilized to power the motor that drives the car. The motor in turn provides power to the wheels of the vehicle. Simultaneously, when oxygen combines with electrons at the positive electrode, water is formed. This process occurs as a byproduct of the fuel cell operation. The waste produced in the form of water vapor, which is released into the environment as exhaust. If Toyota has already made a car with the help of a hydrogen fuel cell technology, then why they are developing a new hydrogen engine? The main reason for developing a new hydrogen engine is the cost. If we compare the cost of a hydrogen fuel cell car, it is around 50 lakhs rupees, which is double the cost of an electric vehicle and 4 times the cost of a petrol car. The fuel cell in the hydrogen car contains expensive components, including precious metal like platinum, which are found in limited quantities on Earth. As a result, the cost of hydrogen fuel cell technology remains high. The main problem with the hydrogen fuel cell cars is not just the cost, but also their low efficiency compared to electric vehicles. If we examine the processes involved in an electric car, We directly supply power to the battery, and the battery then directly powers the wheel. However, in an hydrogen fuel cell car, there are several processes involved in converting hydrogen into power and transferring it to the wheel. These processes result in significant energy losses, making hydrogen fuel cell car less efficient compared to electric vehicles. This is the reason why Toyota is working on an all-new hydrogen engine that aims to be both efficient and cost-effective. The biggest challenge for Toyota in developing hydrogen engine powered car is ensuring the safe storage of hydrogen without any leakage. To address this challenge, Toyota plans to use carbon fiber to construct the hydrogen cylinder. Carbon fiber is known for its lightweight properties and high tensile strength, enabling the storage of hydrogen at a pressure of 10,000 psi. The second challenge Toyota is improving the efficiency of hydrogen powered cars. For this, they are considering the use of hydrogen directly in a conventional combustion engine. This approach aims to significantly increase the efficiency of hydrogen cars compared to petrol cars. In a petrol engine, fuel does not burn completely, resulting in an efficiency of only 20%. However, in a hydrogen engine, where hydrogen burns completely, this results in double efficiency compared to petrol engines. Toyota new hydrogen engine will operate similarly to a normal combustion engine. Hydrogen and oxygen will be supplied to the piston through a carburetor. The hydrogen will then burn with the help of an ignition system, generating power that can be supplied to the wheel. Support the mission of making our scientific knowledge accessible to everyone by sharing this video, like the video and subscribe to this channel. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.